Okay, team, welcome to week 4, where we're going to be focusing on all things lifestyle and well-being. Week 4 is going to focus on well-being, stress, sleep, and routine, because let's not forget, high stress and poor recovery make fat loss a lot covery. This is going to help you with stress management, sleep and recovery, and more importantly, building supportive routines. Your well-being directly influences fat loss and appetite regulation. Now, why does well-being matter? It's because hormones affect hunger, stress drives cravings, and poor sleep slows recovery. Stress and fat storage. Let's not forget that elevated levels of cortisol can increase cravings and fat storage if unmanaged. Let's not forget there is a link between emotional eating and high levels of cortisol and as well poor recovery. The power of routine. Now, routine moves reliance on willpower. Consistency reduces decision fatigue, and routines create automation, and habits replace motivation. Motivation is a myth. One of my favourite books ever is Atomic Habits by James Clear, and that's why I wanted to include this in this presentation. Now, James Clear explains that habit stacking is something that you can do by attaching new habits onto existing ones, and not forgetting that tiny habits build big results. Okay. Now, habit stacking examples. These examples show stacking removes friction. So, after brushing teeth, you can drink water. After coffee, you can have a 5-minute walk. After dinner, you can prepare tomorrow's snack. Something I did do as part of my habit stacking was I would prepare my breakfast in the morning, but it wasn't a priority. I didn't do it for long enough. Had I done it for 90 days, I'd still be doing it now. So I need to set myself the target very soon of doing that solid for 90 days in order for it to reach my subconscious mind. Your well-being toolkit. These are simple and sustainable habits. You want to aim for about 7 to 8 hours sleep every night. Have a night wind down routine, less screen time, etc., as part of a daily stress outlet. Now, your task this week, I want you to stay consistent and calm. I want you to create a sleep routine, build one habit stack. Remember, you're taking an existing habit and attaching on a new habit which you're desiring. And I also want you to observe the link between cortisol and cravings and ask yourself, what can I be doing instead? Often at that time, the reason we crave those foods is because we want dopamine, and we'll get that from snacks, etc. Will that do our fitness objectives any good? If we do that in an abundance where we're over consuming, then no. If we're doing it periodically, applying the 80-20 principle, then not so much. And a final reminder as well, calm drives consistency, routines create results, and small habits compound. Lifestyle alignment drives fat loss.